With this episode of Vlogmas, I'm cleaning out my fridge and my pantry. The two top reasons I have used to make an excuse to not cook a healthy home-cooked meal. So I started with my fridge. When I do a fridge clean out, I like to pull absolutely everything out, so as I put it back, I can check for expirations. Completely empty and clean. Now to start putting things back. Oh, this looks so nice. I do have produce containers that I use to keep my produce fresher longer, and it brings them up to eye level in my fridge. I do prefer using clear containers like these, so I know exactly what is inside each of the containers. So I pulled everything out. Again, I think that's the best way to know exactly what you have and to see what things need to be tossed. And then once everything's cleared out, I do give it a good clean. Now I will say what spurred cleaning the pantry was there was an odd smell coming from there, and it turns out a jar of pesto sauce actually somehow opened and leaked all over the pantry. So I got rid of that and got it all cleaned out. And then I started putting all of my items into basically pairing them up into like items. So my canned goods, beans, tomatoes, they got paired together. Then the fun is putting it all back. Thanks for tuning in. If you're new here, I'd love it if you hit that subscribe button. If you are returning, thank you so much for coming back and checking out another video.